Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Instagram shop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So in this video, we're going to be talking about in great detail and in depth about how you're going to set up your Instagram shop in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So please make sure to fully watch this video till the end and to really take in the great information that I'm about to tell you, because it's not that difficult but it's a bit more detailed. So yeah, I'm making sure to tell you all the great things that you can do with an Instagram shop and how you're gonna make it. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, let's get one thing out of the way. It's really important that you have a Facebook account, and after you've made an account, you have to have a Facebook page. Without a Facebook page, your Instagram shop will not be set up. So please do make sure to have a Facebook page. I repeat, if you do not have a Facebook page yet, this cannot be done. So in order to create your very own page, just go ahead and click on the see more button that we have right here, and once you go ahead and click on it, you will see a bunch of icons popped up. So what you want to do is just go ahead and scroll down and you will find the page icon. Just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this page. So right now I don't have any discover pages right here because this is a brand new account. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on the create new page right here, and this is basically where we could go ahead and name our page and customize our page whatever you want to. So once you have your page, we can now go ahead and create our own Instagram shop. So I just created this page, John's Coffee Shop, so let's just go ahead and work with it. So to get started, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the account setting right here, or just go ahead and click on the switch now button that we have right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the account icon that we have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the switch to John's Coffee Shop button that we have right here, and it's going to switch my account from my personal account to this page that we have right here. Once you're logged in as your page, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on the menu button that we have right here at the upper right corner of your screen, and once you go ahead and click on it, a bunch of menu will pop up. What you want to do is just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the professional tab. You will find four things that you have right here. You will find Ad Manager, Meta Business Suite, Professional Dashboard, and Ad Center. So let's just go ahead and click on the second option right here, Meta Business Suite. So once you're inside your Business Meta Suite, you could go ahead and see a lot of options that they have. You could go ahead and see the insights of your account, how many followers do you have. You could go ahead and adjust many settings that we have, and you could go ahead and personalize your account here. You have your notifications, you have your inbox, you have your content, you have your planner, you have your ads manager, you have your insights, and you have a bunch more tools. Once you understand what's going on inside the Meta Business Suite, we want to proceed by clicking on the inbox button that we have. So once you're inside here, you could go ahead and see a lot of settings that we have. We have our messenger settings, we have our Instagram, Facebook comments, and our Instagram comments. Let's just go ahead and click on the Instagram tab that we have, and you will go ahead and see the Instagram settings right here. Connect to Instagram to get more features. It will be able to reach more of your community. Connect your Facebook page to a professional Instagram account, and if you connect a personal Instagram account, it will be switched to professional. You could go ahead and see a lot more details that they have right here once you go ahead and click on the learn more button. You could go ahead and share your stories, posts, and ads across Facebook and Instagram. You could go ahead and manage comments and message in one place. You could also go ahead and synchronize your profile info like names and website. So to get started, we should now go ahead and click on the connect Instagram button right here. So once again, Facebook will go ahead and inform you a lot more information about this. Let's just go ahead and click on continue. Go ahead and click on continue again, and another tab from your browser will probably pop up. What you want to do is just go ahead and click your Instagram profile that you have. I only have one, so I only have this login as my username right here. So just go ahead and select your Instagram profile, or if you only have one, just go ahead and click on the logged in as your username. So once you're all done with that, you could go ahead and select creator or business right here. I'm just going to go ahead and select creator. Obviously, you could go ahead and select business if you want to. With creator, you're able to be flexible with your profile controls, simplified messaging, and more growth tools. So I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed, and right here I'm just going to select product and service. Once you're done, you will just go ahead and click on done and continue, and it will now go ahead and transform our personal account into a creator one the easiest way possible. So right now our Instagram creator account is ready. We can now go ahead and proceed by clicking on the blue button that we have right here. So once we're done with all of that, Facebook will notify us that our Instagram account is already connected. So let's just go ahead and click on the continue button right here. And right now, as you can see, my Instagram account is connected. So to get started, we are going to go ahead and click on the all tools button that we have right here. And we are here for a specific settings only. But if you guys are wondering, you could go ahead and find multiple settings that you could go ahead and adjust inside your page, inside the all tools button. So we're here for the sell products and services tab. You could go ahead and see 5 things inside sell products and services. You have your appointments, you have your commerce, you have your monetization, orders, and services. We're here for the commerce button. Manage your inventory and sales across Facebook and Instagram. So right now we are inside the commerce manager. Just go ahead and click on get started. You obviously could go ahead and create a catalog and create a shop. We're here to create a shop, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click get started. So once you click get started, you will see messages here like, for example, start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Setting up shop is free and only takes a few minutes, and they will inform you about the 5% selling fee. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next, and it will take me to the checkout method. And right here, of course, you are obviously going to select your page. Once you have selected your page, just go ahead and click on next, and go ahead and select your business account. And right after, we will now go ahead and select our delivery address. I'm just going to go ahead and select a random country in this tutorial. And right after all of that, just go ahead and check the checkbox that we have right here, and just go ahead and click on continue, and we will now proceed to this loading page right here. Right now the page is telling us to do not close or refresh this page, so that's what we're obviously going to do. So once this finished loading, you will now have your Instagram shop. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.